Mike here, fixing with the Long Bros. In my previous videos with this Mercedes, we talked about how the insurance companies told me to get a salvage title and they're going to come get my car and that it's worthless now, and so I had to go down to the DMV. I had 1 month to turn the title in and turn it into a salvage, and I had to pay $900 if I wanted to keep the car. So anyway, I called the DMV and I asked them, how long do I have to come down there and give you my title to turn it into a salvage? She says, no, you don't have to do that. She asked me if I bought the car back. I said, yeah, I did. She says, well, you can come down and get a reconstruction title. I said, a reconstruction title? What's that? She said, well, you can fix it and you don't have to put it a salvage title or anything like that. You can get a reconstruction title. All you have to do is come down here and we'll do a VIN inspection, make sure that all the parts are the original parts, and then you can, once you get your car fixed.
Like it wasn't a theft, I think.
Yeah, like it, what?
Checking the VIN number to make sure that parts aren't from a stolen vehicle.
Yeah, something like that. Anyway, so so before you go crazy and like I did, call the DMV, and I said, well, that's what the insurance company told me, that I had to surrender my title and get a salvage title. She says, no, that's what they tell everyone. And I said, what? She says, oh, you can get it fixed. And I said, well, how long do I have before I have to get it fixed? She says, there's no time limit on that.
Jeez.
So,
yeah, that didn't make sense, like with our bus.
So, don't throw your car away. You can keep it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and put PL and PD on the car and on my Jeep also, and I'll just repair it myself, and just so I'm protecting other people if I run over them or something. So anyway, like, subscribe, hit the bell, share these videos with people, because I think it's important that people need to know what they're getting into with insurance. Most people don't know, and the insurance company obviously isn't telling you everything. So thank you, and look at here's do-it-yourself fixing with the Long Bros. Like, subscribe, hit the bell.
No, it's fixing it with the Long Bros.
Isn't that what I said?
You said do it yourself with fixing it with the Long Bros.
Well, it's either or. Fixing with the Long Bros. Mike here, fixing with the Long Bros. In my other, what?
Speak up.
Let's try it again.
Jeez, calm down, princess.
Mike here, fixing with the Long Bros. So, in my earlier videos with this car, I found out that we all found out, started over.